everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I am so excited because we are trying out a bunch of new makeup. We're doing a haul. I'm going to do a demo for you guys, tutorial, whatever you want to call it, on this look right here. So stay tuned if you are curious as to what is on my face. Before we get into that, as per usual, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also follow me for more content on Instagram and TikTok. I do very different content on all these platforms, so follow me there and check me out. As you can tell by the title, we are checking out what is in this Dior package right here. This is their Lunar New Year packaging if you order from Dior.com. I love ordering straight from the website from places like Dior and higher end makeup lines because you get the most amazing packaging when it comes straight from the website. So this is their Lunar New Year. It's a red box with this gold foil, and it's just like this beautiful design. Obsessed. Now if you guys do want this gift wrapping or packaging with your order, or if you're sending a gift, these are limited. So I'm going to leave all the details down below for Dior.com because this box is gorgeous. I am keeping this. So we're gonna dive right into it. This is how it came. So right on top, I'm so excited that they did this. They included 3 Dior red envelopes. Now, if you guys are familiar with Lunar New Year, I am half Vietnamese, so I've celebrated New Year's, or Lunar New Year, I should say, since I was a child. These envelopes just bring me so many good memories as a child receiving them, and it's like a tradition in Lunar New Year, like you give red envelopes with money in it. So yeah, these are 3 red envelopes, and they're just the same design as the box. It's gorgeous. I love the gesture here. I think it's really cool and a nice little add-on. All right, and then you get this little pouch here, and I think this is just the samples that are in here. This canvas pouch I'm definitely going to keep. It's white and it says Dior, so I could put like jewelry in here or something like that. I'm obviously going to use it. And then I have 2 samples here. This is the lip maximizer, the Dior Addict. So it's all 4 of their shades and like a little applicator. This I thought was so cute. If you're like me, you love minis. I love mini perfumes, mini makeup, like travel size, anything. And this is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. They're plumping gloss, so I think it's actually one of these. And when I say mini, I mean tiny, like so tiny, but so cute. And this is several applications for sure, but oh, it's so cute. I don't even want to use it. The first thing I have here is the Dior Forever Velvet Veil Primer. It's their new 24-hour blurring matte primer. I just ran out of my blurring primer and I had to try this. The cap just comes off really easily like that, and it has a pump. Now, when I first tried this on and I was applying it, I thought I had picked up the wrong bottle, and I thought I was pumping out foundation. So when you pump it out on your hand, it is a tinted liquid type formula. So let me just try and show you here. So you guys can see there. So here it is. It is slightly tinted. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but yeah, it looks like a foundation. So at first I was like, oh no, I'm putting on the foundation that I ordered, not the primer. Wrong. This is a primer. It is so thin. It is very smoothing, so I can really see how it's going to blur out the skin. It just leaves your skin's super soft and super smooth. And then just like that, it's completely dry. So it does dry down to a matte. So this is gonna be great for my combination girlies who want a blurring matte finish, but not drying. This is so velvety and so soft. So the next thing I picked up is the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. I've heard so many good things about this, so I had to try it out. They do make this in a matte version as well. And the last Dior foundation that I tried was a matte, and this was probably back in 2016, and I didn't really like it, so I never really went back to Dior to try another one. But their Skin Glow, it is a beautiful satin finish. I am wearing it right now on my skin, but it's not like dewy. I know some glow foundations are extremely dewy, and that's great if you are looking for something dewy, but I don't want to be shiny all day. If you're looking for super dewy, this is not it. But if you're looking for a beautiful satin glow that looks like skin, this is it. This is so pretty. I actually was surprised. It is a more of a medium coverage, but you can build it up to full. I did one layer and it was a medium coverage, and I actually really like it. I think it's really nice. I don't feel like my makeup is caked on, and it looks really natural, but still done. So this is it right here. It has the same pump as the primer, and I really like it. I think I did okay on color. I could have went a little bit darker, but it works. So again, I got 1.5. I probably could have gone up to like 2 or something like that, but I really like this. I like the formula. It's not heavy, but you can get the coverage if you want it, and it's just so comfortable. Okay, the next thing we have here is the Dior Forever Skin Corrector, which is their concealer. I believe this is the matching concealer with this foundation. So packaging is so luxe. This is glass packaging. It's very weighted, so you know, you're paying a pretty penny for this stuff, and it is just beautiful packaging. The concealer is nice. It does give you really nice coverage, but I do have to say I still would prefer my corrector underneath. So I did one eye, which is this eye, was with just the concealer by itself, and I think it did a really great job to brighten and just kind of like lift the under eye. But I did this side with a corrector underneath that I usually use, and I like it better with the corrector. Yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm just gonna be totally honest. I do love the formula of this though. I got the color 1.5 neutral, and I think I did a pretty good job on that color. And then lastly, I picked up this beautiful red lip color that I'm wearing right now. I'm obsessed with it, and this is actually from the Christian Dior, the Mitza, I think it's called Mitza collection, and it's like this cheetah print packaging, and this is just a sleeve, but they do have eyeshadow palettes and other lipsticks and stuff like that in the collection as well. But I knew I wanted a Dior lipstick, so of course, being me, I had to try the iconic Dior red. And I believe that's what it's called. On the actual lipstick, it just says 999 Rouge Dior Velvet. So this is their velvet formula, and it is so smooth. It is pretty matte for the most part, but it's not extremely drying like a matte. It is a true velvet formula, and you guys, the lipstick itself is gorgeous. Applying it was beautiful, as you guys can see in the demo that I'm doing for you guys. I can't believe it took me this long to try the Dior Iconic Red. I'm so excited that I have this. I am doing it. I'm going to wear this red for the rest of winter anytime I go out, because it is such a vibe. It just makes your face brighter, your teeth brighter, and it's that beautiful, cool toned red, and so smooth. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Dior haul, try on, review, demo, all of it. I had so much fun doing this video, and I want to thank Dior for gifting me these products, because I found some new holy grails. You guys know me, I love affordable makeup, but when a makeup product is so good that I will use it over and over, I will spend the money. Again, I'm gonna leave all the information down below for this beautiful Dior Lunar New Year packaging. If you are purchasing anything anytime soon, definitely do it on the website, because you get more, and it's packaged just so beautifully. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.